So as you're having a video conversation, if you want to share your screen to show something to the other users, then what you can do is you can go on to this button right here where there's the three dot, and then over here you can see that there's an option to share your screen. Once you click on it, you'll have a list of screen that you can see right here. So I got two screens, so you got screen 2 and screen 1. So let's say I want to share this screen, you simply click on it and then hit the share button, and then you get this option called share right here. So you can just hide this out as well. The screen is still being shared out. And as I do something over here on my screen, as you can see, everything gets shared out just like that. The other user will be able to see how the screen is behaving just like that. You want to stop screen sharing, simply click on stop. Sometimes you want to share simply a particular application. Let's say, for example, I just want to share my Microsoft Word screen and nothing else. So in order to do that, you go over here onto the same area and then you click on share screen. Once you do that, you can go on to application window and you'll see all the application that is open in my computer. You can also scroll down to see more right here. So I'm just going to share my Word document. So if I were to click on share, only the Word document is now shared out. So you can see right here that this is the Word document just like this. So I can resize this out. And if I were to type something, then it is shared out just like that. And the other person will be able to see your Word screen only just like that. And that is how you can share your entire screen and then share application screen inside of Google Hangouts while you're doing a video conference. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.